Hello everyone, today I'm starting Unit 6, the Earth and the Moon. Lesson 6.1, the shape of the Earth, Sun and Moon. So we are learning about in this lesson about the shape of the Earth, about the Sun and about Moon. Let's start. Look at this picture of the Earth and the Sun and the Moon. What do you know about them? What do you know about them? If we are talking about the Earth, where we are living, you can see mostly green part or blue part. The blue part, which one more? 70%, 71% is water, and the green part, less part, 29, 30, nearest. So the place for living. Okay. So green area we are living there, and the blue part is mostly water. So it's mean more than half or more part of the earth is filled with water, and the less part for living. What about the moon? It's like a ball of fire. Sorry, the sun, ball of fire, and the moon. It's also the part of the earth. And take the light from the sun, and then we can see the moon. It's right. Okay. So what size are they? The sun is bigger than the earth, and earth is bigger than the moon. And what shape are they? They're like egg or circle, mostly like the shape of an egg. What are they made of? The earth made of the moon, it's made of rock, made of sand. The sun is made of fire. And earth, as I told you, 70 or 71% water and other place for living land, mountain, different places, green area. It's as showing in if we are seeing from the other in the space. So, do they have gravity? Yes, Earth has gravity. That's why we can move on the Earth. Draw a diagram of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. Add label. Same like this. You can draw. You can use a pencil and make a shape of the egg. It's like a circle, simple but little bit dull. But like a circle, you can make is with any circle thing. Put it and with the help of pencil, draw around the circle item. And the moon. Obviously, you're making the moon smaller than Earth, and Earth is smaller than the sun. Draw a diagram, okay? Add label to show what you know. Work with a friend, compare your two diagrams. Do you agree with what they know? Do you agree with you? Uh, a sphere, like a circle, the shape of the earth, an axial, it's like a sphere circle. The shape of the earth, sun and moon. The earth, the sun, and the moon are all spheres, like a circle shape, the same shapes as a ball, a football, we can say any ball, like a round shape. We can say they are spherical shapes, or spherical. This is the earth, the moon, and as well the sun and the moon. Why are they all sphere? What is the reason? Why are they not rough like rock? Could it be uh, could it be because of gravity? It's look like a sphere or circle. So why are they are sphere? Actually, we can say this is because of gravity. A planet is round because of gravity. A planet's gravity pull equally from all the sides. The last unit I told you about, if the Earth gravity it's pull, you can say pulls from all the side equally. So gravity pulls from the center of the edges, like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. So this make the overall shape of the planet a circle or a sphere, which is a three-dimensional side. So like this other also like the moon. Why are they not rough uh, like rocks? Our Earth is, you can say, bumpy, but like other, we are talking about other planets. Mostly, you can say Mercury, Venus, they are made of rock. But our Earth have ocean, mountain, mostly part is ocean. So our Earth is not, you can say, completely made of rock, but it's bumpy. So could it be because of gravity? Sometimes you can say it's the because of gravity. Huh? If we are talking about all they are all spheres, this is you can say because of gravity. Uh, a three dimension or a spherical phase. Okay, questions answer. Can you name the five types of scientific inquiry? No need to write this. The five scientific inquiries are fear testing, pattern seeking, identification and classification, and observing over time and research. The five again research, observing over time, identification and classification. Number three, number four, pattern seeking. Number five, fair testing. So these are the five scientific inquiry. Which of them can I use to find more about the Earth and the Sun and Moon? So we can say about we can say search. We are using research to find more about Earth, Sun, and Moon. So this one you can write research. The first one is bigger, or the second one is right research. You can use research to find more about Earth, Moon, and other things. Think like a scientist researching the Earth, Moon, and Sun. You will need book, videos, and websites about the Earth, Sun, and Moon. What can you find out more about the Earth, Sun, and Moon? You can find a lot of information if you write uh, their names in the Google search engine. Why are they spherical? This because of gravity. Do they all have gravity? No, only Earth. And do all they or they are same size? No, obviously not. Sun is bigger than both. Moon is the part of Earth, so smaller than the Earth. So write these the same your own questions. Have a look at a friend's question. Can you help them with the answers? So when you're studying about this, you have a lot of questions in your mind. So you will use the search engine. Just write the question you find about more and more about the sun and moon and this earth. Gravity makes sphere. The earth, the sun, and the moon are all spheres because of gravity. Every object with mass has gravity. Every object with mass has gravity. The more mass of an object have, the stronger the gravity. If the thing is bigger, have more weight, more mass, or taking more space, you can say it has stronger gravity. The moon is smaller than the Earth, so the moon gravity is weaker than Earth. The sun is much bigger than the Earth, so the sun gravity is much stronger than the Earth. So the sun, all the planets like Earth, they are also moving around the sun, and the moon is moving around the Earth according to their size, according to their gravity. The moon is moving around the Earth, and the Earth is moving around the sun. So the sun is much bigger than the Earth. Sun is much bigger than the Earth. So the sun gravity is much stronger than Earth. An object gravity pull everything toward the center of the object. So the Earth is it's a sphere because of Earth gravity pull everything, even itself, toward the center of the Earth. Even you're standing everywhere, anywhere, okay, in the corner of the, you will not fall down other side to the center of the Earth. because of gravity. So the Earth is a sphere because the Earth gravity pull everything, even itself, toward the center. The Moon is a also sphere because the Moon gravity pulls all the rock it is made of toward the center. And what about the Sun? Sun is a sphere because the Sun gravity pull all the gases it is made of toward the center. So in simple, they have gravity, Sun, Moon, and Earth. This gravity not mean the Earth or the Sun is bigger and all the people are moving toward the Sun, or the Moon is smaller and the Moon is falling down or coming to the center of the Earth. It's moving around the Earth, and the Earth is moving around the Sun. So all of them have gravity according to their sizes, and everything is pulling down toward the center of the Earth. After this modeling gravity, you will need a piece of clay. Scientists often use a model to find out how things work. A diagram can be a type of model because it shows how something works. Okay, we can make 3D model to find things out. Arun is using it to model how gravity make things into sphere. So you can see he's just pushing and pulling. So as push and pull, it's making a shape. So each time he turns the clay, he uses a hand to push toward the center. Try doing this with a piece of clay. So you can see you can make a circle or a sphere shape. Okay, in this model, what show the Earth? So this is obviously the modeling clay. It's showing the Earth. In this model, what does the force from your hand do? This is push and the force your hand push toward the center, like gravity. So the force that your hand pushes toward the center. Or you can write this gravity also. Describe one way this model is different from how gravity really shaped the Earth. This model is different from how gravity really shaped the Earth, or you can say because the real Earth is much bigger, much larger, and gravity is a pull, not a push. You can see he's pushing from this side, but he's also pushing from both sides, but the gravity is pulling. So gravity is a pull, not a push. If the real Earth was shaped by pushing hand, think on surface would have been squash. So like this, it's different. Name two type of models that scientific use. You can say the 3D models on for Earth. We have 3D model because it's not a circle; it's spherical shape of the Earth. So we can say it's 3D model. Let me write for the first answer. There are variation of answer because it's much larger and it's using only pull forces, not only push. So it's upon you. This is the answer for three. In this model, what does the force your hand do? Wishes. A type of model that scientists use. They're using diagrams and 3D, three-dimensional 3D models. Let's move page number 160 from your math science learner book for grade 3. Let's move page number 160 computer model. Scientific use models on computers to find out more, find out about many things like the human body, the weather, and space. This is a computer model showing how a rocket can use Earth gravity to make bigger and bigger orbit to make it go faster so it can get to the moon. You can see what about the moon? What about the rockets? What about the Earth making a circle? This is all because of gravity. Otherwise, we will start the next lesson in the next video. Goodbye.